Page 10, practice carefully. Okay. In this lesson, we're going to use the group of 3 black keys. We've been using the group of 2, now we're going to use the group of 3. So we're going to need 3 fingers on these. So we're going to use fingers 2, 3, and 4 here. Could use any 3 fingers, it doesn't matter. The book's using 2, 3, and 4, that's fine. And they fit on the hand very well. Just relax the hand here, and they're there. The other fingers are just relaxed wherever they are. I don't pay attention to them. You don't want them sticking way out because that's tension. We don't want tension. We want to be relaxed. So you just relax, and we're going to use these fingers, not these fingers. And in this one, we're going to go down the keyboard. This is for the left hand. And we're going to use 2 groups here. We're going to use, say, this group and this group. So we use 2 of each. You see the finger numbers is telling you which finger to use. Rest. During the rest, you come down. The next group. It's just during the rest, you only get 1 count rest. And the count's got to be steady, so make sure you lift up and move here. It's not a quick jerky motion or nothing, you just move. Rest. 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 Okay, you just keep going. We need to do this on 4 groups. Okay, they're only showing 2 groups here. This one and this one. But we need to do it in 4 groups. You could play, if you had a short keyboard, you could go down as low or you could start higher. I don't care. But you could also just go back and play the same 2 groups again. So I could go here and then come down, and then instead of going down, I just go back up. Whichever. But otherwise, just go down. And if you want to start up here, you need 4 of them total. Or you can start here. If you got enough keys, you can go down here. I don't know how, some keyboards are short. You may not have the notes. And that's what we're after. So either you're using 4 groups of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you're going to use the same 2 groups twice. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll leave that up to you. I want to play this duet at the bottom, and you play that. I'll give us 4 counts, so let's see what happens. 1, 2, ready, go.